Hey friends, welcome back to Learn Transformation. And today we are going to explain 7 strategy tools which everyone should use in 21st century. There are a lot of strategy tools available and few of them are Balance Scorecard, Strategy Map, SWOT Analysis, Porter's 5 Forces, Hoshin Planning and so on. But what is the right strategic tool for us? Which one you can use in the VUCA environment? What would be the right fit for your company? So to answer all these questions, in today's video, we are going to share with you top 7 strategy tools that can change your organization as well as your personal life if used in a proper way. So let's get going. Let's start with the 7th one, which is Porter's 5 Forces. Porter's 5 Forces is an older strategy which examines a lot of things like the threat of entry. It means it examines could other companies enter the marketplace easily or are there numerous entry barriers they would have to overcome. The threat of substitute product or services. Can buyers easily replace your product with another? The bargaining power of customer and suppliers. It means could individual buyers and retailers put pressure on your organization to drive down the cost. The competitive rivalry among existing firms. Are your current competitor poised for major growth? So in nutshell, Porter's 5 Forces analyze competition of a business. Next tool is Strategy Map. A strategy map is a visual tool which communicates a strategic plan and helps in attaining high-level business goals. Strategy mapping is a major part of Balance Scorecard and offers an excellent way to communicate the high-level information across your organization in an easily digestible format. Blue Ocean Strategy is a strategic planning model, and the idea behind Blue Ocean Strategy is for organizations to develop in uncontested market space, for example a blue ocean, instead of a market space that is either developed or saturated, example a red ocean. You can also find the difference between red ocean and blue ocean strategy in the slide. Next up is Hoshin Kanri. The Hoshin planning aligns your strategic goals with your projects and tasks to ensure that efforts are coordinated. This model is less focused on measures and more on goals and initiatives. And the 4 most critical steps in Hoshin planning model are: first, identify key goals. Ideally, you would focus on 3 to 5 goals. Second, play catch ball. Share goals from top to bottom of your organization. Next, gather intel through Gemba. Track the execution of your key goals and gather feedback from employees using a defined process. Make adjustments. Initiate change based on feedback and repeat the steps of catch ball and Gemba. Next tool is PEST model. Like SWOT, PEST is also an acronym which stands for political, economic, socio-cultural and technological. Each of these factors determine what could affect an organization's health, and the PEST model is often used in conjunction with the external factors of a SWOT analysis. Before moving forward, please do like, comment and share our video and subscribe our channel Learn Transformation. Next up is SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is a high-level model which is used at beginning of an organization's strategic planning. And SWOT stands for Strength, Weaknesses, Opportunities and Threats. And if you want to know in detail about SWOT analysis, then please check our previous video on SWOT analysis. Last but not the least is Balance Scorecard. Balance Scorecard is strategy management framework which takes into account your objectives, which are high-level organizational goals. Measures which help you understand if you are accomplishing your objectives strategically, and initiatives which are key action programs that help you achieve your objectives. So this was all about top 7 strategic tools. As our leader Albert Einstein said, any intelligent fool can make things bigger and more complex, but it takes a touch of genius and a lot of courage to move in the opposite direction. So yes, that's it for now. Please subscribe our channel Learn Transformation and press the bell icon right next to it to stay updated regarding Lean, Six Sigma, digital, leadership and supply chain. And also please tell us in the comment section below any particular topic on which you want our insight. I assure we will provide you the best information possible. Plus, you can also catch us on other social media handles like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Instagram. Thanks for watching right till the end. Stay safe and have a good one.